In the ever-evolving world of web development, staying updated with the latest tools and frameworks is crucial. One such tool that has significantly impacted the industry is React.js. Let's delve into what React is, its key features, and its role in modern web development. React is a JavaScript library designed for building user interfaces, particularly for single-page applications where data changes frequently. Developed by Facebook in 2011 and open-sourced in 2013, React allows developers to create large web applications that can update and render efficiently without reloading the page. Its primary goal is to create view layers for web and mobile apps. React stands out due to two core components, the virtual DOM and JavaScript XML, or JSX. The virtual DOM ensures efficient updates by keeping changes consistent across browsers. JSX, on the other hand, allows developers to write HTML and JavaScript together in one file, simplifying the development process. This combination speeds up development and enhances the user experience. React's introduction revolutionized web development by combining HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a new way. Initially met with skepticism, its technical advantages soon became apparent. Increased runtime performance, reactive state updates, and reusable components are just a few of the innovations React brought to the table. Today, it is used by major companies like Netflix, Airbnb, and Dropbox, and has a strong presence on GitHub with 196,000 stars. React offers several advantages that make it a favorite among developers. Its simple learning curve, thanks to the prerequisite of only knowing JavaScript, makes it accessible. Reusable components streamline the development process, making it easier to manage large code bases. React is also SEO-friendly, improving page load times and rendering speeds, which are crucial for search engine rankings. Additionally, its strong community support ensures that developers have access to a wealth of resources and solutions. React is ideal for projects requiring high user interaction and dynamic content. Applications with multiple components that frequently change states, such as job boards, blogs, and e-learning websites, benefit greatly from React. Its ability to manage complex state changes and re-render efficiently makes it perfect for maintaining UI elements in sync with user actions. However, React may not be the best choice for every project. For complex admin panels requiring extensive data management and server-side logic, more specialized frameworks might be more suitable. Similarly, for simple projects like landing pages, React's extensive ecosystem might be overkill, making lighter libraries like Bulma or Bootstrap more appropriate. React has earned its place as a leading tool in web development due to its performance, productivity, and developer-friendly features. With its virtual DOM, reusable components, and strong community support, React provides an ideal environment for building modern web applications. Whether you're working on a complex project or a dynamic user interface, React offers the tools and flexibility needed to succeed.